This is an Arizona's Family News Update.
Good morning to you. I'm Yetta Gibson. Here are the latest stories that we're following for you from the Arizona's Family Newsroom. The number of coronavirus cases in Arizona continue to climb. We now have more than 1,400 people with the virus. That is up from just under 1,300 Tuesday. 5 more people have died, bringing the total to 29 people. Maricopa has the most amount of confirmed cases with 871. As for how many people have recovered from the virus in our state, that number is not immediately available. While the biggest numbers are in Maricopa County, the situation in northern Arizona on the Navajo Nation is being called dire right now. The National Guard is now flying in more supplies, including 300 masks and 2,000 gloves. They're short on supplies, with some clinics lacking personal protective equipment for healthcare workers. The Navajo Nation has implemented a curfew every night from 8 until 5 the next morning to help prevent the spread. And many people are asking, when will this coronavirus be over? But now doctors are saying we could actually see another cycle of this, or a wave of the virus, later in the year. Dr. Kara Chris with the State Health Department says there's an 80 to 90% chance that another wave of COVID-19 will hit sometime in the fall or the winter months. But there is good news. She does say it should be less severe when and if that happens, because more people will have already been exposed, and it's not likely somebody can get it for a second time. Also, the U.S. will likely be more prepared and know more about the virus by then. 3 people, including 2 Tempe police officers, in the hospital after a kitchen fire at this apartment complex. All 3 of them will be okay. The fire was inside of an apartment on the 3rd floor of the complex near McClintock and Apache. Fire crews kept the flames from spreading to other units, but in total, 8 people are out of their homes and are being helped by the Red Cross right now.
I'm meteorologist April Warnicki. A high today of 85 degrees, one of the warmest days we have had so far this year. And then as we head into the second half of this week and the weekend, we'll stay in the mid-80s with a cool down likely back to the 70s by next week.
All right, April, thank you. For more updates on more stories that we're following for you, you can download our app. You can subscribe to our YouTube and Roku channels. I'm Yetta Gibson. Have a great day, everybody.